Michael Guineta Voices Unveiled with Guikan Season 1 Episode 9 called Real Lottery. I liang my first ever thriller film Jalat Gu Parit tuang script writer da sai hat new tong guest kang snap phongong lan ba mi Michael Guineta king in sam la ho.
Hi everyone. Azan na Joshi gang mai toy.
Tong film khang si sana hai priya hi tong hina ni.
Hai khang sana hi tong hai.
23 ni si 23 number movie kha tong script hi pangam ba mi ni paina nang tani congrats la da ni I retire ni merna hi kai law mi ta dialogue ni chuma storyline hi law to ni dialogue ni hai pura hai thiang sa khang hai ko ni na hi law to ni
Hai tan ni dialogue ni kum hi ho hi kai ra be he ba liang mai song ke ne ko bang ko ba me ra ma karum za ko hi yo tram
ni nang ra leng la tan translate la to ni
so pat me so pa he ne ki ka wai na so pa so ho so pa ngam khana som ho language difference na dim ho ma sem ra kum correction ka se kum so za production of first day na the actor actress mane ka than le pura new de na kan se ki ho album ko mine kan ne dong role perfectly placed na ne kan ne entertainment so se he kama slow na ai thongku hak phom dong hai tim bang ne ma joi pa na kum hai tong flashback ko tong khan ne hi kai da tong hai leng or thriller tong par hi rai hai ki kham ko kum tong idea ne pa da tong jang kum college biang ne hi kai who dragged me out from the pitch ne while I was drowning on it. Yeah, extremely happy so the how I claim so that I'm a foodie ne catch in my zone I'm sorry ne tong firstly apologize on had the members so pa mo ko ne
CVR lang ko sa asalaw
if it gives you happiness then nothing is not a waste of time so then I tara atong concept ko kum no la tong it's kind of funny but I'll choose my loved ones you know matsun diang ma hama so ne meteng ko tipam tan ani mo ne
okay
To watch the full episode, consider checking out Wikhalumaling my YouTube channel. Thank you.